Merry Christmas Eve Eve! Woo! If you like this style of okay. Hey guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around, and if you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you a little bit extra. You make me nervous. So today's video, or I should say second video of the day, because I'm going to edit and upload this super quick for you guys, is another variation slash update, I guess, video on the Jeffree Star winter mystery boxes, because we're all super excited. Unfortunately, these are not deluxe spoilers. If anyone gets their deluxe box, please let me know. DM me on Instagram, because I'd love to see what's inside if you are oh so kind as to let me know. That's like the only spoiler we don't know. We don't know anything for it. We don't know any variations, anything of what's inside. We have a lot of variations for mini, premium, and some supreme, which obviously we'll get into today, but we're still waiting on those. I also want to say a hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed to my channel in the past few days. It has been mind-blowing and I appreciate it so much. If you like this style of if you like these style of videos from me, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. It really helps out my channel and keeps me able to be able to do these kind of videos for you guys. I'm also doing a giveaway. I've ordered the premium and the deluxe boxes. They are on their way to me, so make sure that you are subscribed if you want to enter that giveaway, because I will announce the giveaway in that video as well. Also, yesterday's video, which I will link up above, I found my first gray hair. It was very traumatic, and part of the giveaway is in that video, like extra way you can enter. It's telling me what my gray hair should be named. So if you want to enter that, go ahead and check out that video and comment down below. Your answers so far are cracking me up. So the more the merrier, but the funniest answer is gonna get first pick of my giveaway. Make sure you enter that if you think you're funny, because I think I'm funny. All right, now let's get into today's variations of, we have variation for the mini, premium, and supreme. So I'm gonna start, we're gonna go smallest to largest. So the first variation that I see isn't anything too exciting, but I will just tell you real quick. For the mini, we've seen Iridescent Throne gloss in there before, as well as Watermelon Gum lip scrub, but we're also seeing the liquid lipstick from the Shane and Jeffree collection called Jeffree What the F. I'm not gonna say that on my channel because I'll get demonetized. Anyway, so that's fun. I don't really think though that the Iridescent Throne goes with that lipstick, so that's kind of like, might throw some people off. But either way, still exciting. The mini boxes are full of just lip products, which we've already like established, but if you like his lip products, it's a great box to try. Then let's move on to the next variation for the premium box. Side note, I saw that a lot of people on Twitter got the premium box and didn't get the exclusive beanie, the white beanie that we're seeing. So in my experience, Jeffree Star Cosmetics customer service has been really helpful and corrected any issues I've ever had. So definitely email them. I hope that they can fix that for you. But I just wanted to like put that out there. I saw a lot of that on Twitter, which was kind of upsetting. But so of course for this one we have the beanie. It should be in there. And then we have the Candy Gloss, which we've seen as well, but also a different liquid lipstick shade. The shade Can't Relate, which is a super nude that will only work on really fair skin tones or as like an ombre lip. So if I get that, I definitely won't be keeping it, because I personally don't like ombre lips on myself and it just won't work for me. That is definitely a cult favorite shade for all of the fair skin babies out there. And then we also have the straws in purple, which is way more exciting. I think the purple is way prettier than the green, and I already have the green, so I'd like different ones. And then for the palette, we have the Thirsty palette. So this is definitely the variation that I hope to get. Obviously, these are always mystery boxes. You have to be happy with whatever you get. You're paying for the mystery, but it's just makeup, and we like to talk about it and see what we like and what we don't like out of the collection and what he puts in them. So, but I think that the Thirsty palette is the most exciting palette so far that we've seen. We've seen a lot of the Conspiracy palette, which some people love, some people hate. It was such a hyped up palette that I think a lot of people bought that already, so I feel like that's not as exciting, whereas this Thirsty palette was discontinued and now it's brought back. So this is going to be new to a lot of people, myself included, and I would love this one. And then the Supreme, we're seeing a lot of the cremated palettes. And then I think in the next spoiler we have one variation from that. So I don't really care about the cremated palette, whether I get it or not, but we'll see. So I like this variation for the premium. I think this is so far the best variation. And now for the next one, we have, so this next one is a variation for the Supreme. So in this one, we have the gold makeup bag, the gold mirror, and the pink ornament. We've seen the pink ornament He did tease like other shades of this ornament on his Instagram, but I have yet to see it in a mystery box, but we'll see. There may be other shades. And then we have the pink hoodie. So we saw originally it was just the blue one. There's definitely a pink one as well. I personally don't really care. I think either would be fun to get, at least for me, because they're pastel. So I like both pastel shades, but this one looks more like it has pink and green, whereas the other one was pink or blue and pink. So I don't know which one I prefer, but I think that's super exciting. And of course a hoodie, we love hoodies. And then it looks like the same red lip vault that we've been seeing, the translucent powder, the lip gloss, the sweet peach supreme frost, which is exciting, and a lip scrub. So those are all really, really cool. But what makes this box extra different is the Jawbreaker palette. So we're seeing a variation of palettes now with the Supreme box. It's not just cremated, so there's some color thrown in there for people who don't just want like the white, gray, black color story. So I think that's exciting. I think this is the most colorful Supreme box so far, but still really wearable with the lip vault, the translucent powder, the highlighter is fairly universal, and the gloss shade and all of that stuff. And then I personally think that I do like the pink one a little bit more, but still the hoodie's fun. And I love his makeup bags and his mirrors. So even though those are like merch items, not makeup items, they're really, really good and good quality. So, okay. So let me know which one of these variations you think is most exciting. I personally think that I'm mostly excited for the premium variation that I just shared, just because I really, really want the Thirsty palette. And if I do get the Thirsty palette, would you guys want like a 3 looks 1 palette with that? I feel like that would be fun, especially since, like I said, it was discontinued and now it'll be brought back into our collections. I still haven't even freaking used my Blue Blood palette because I've been so busy and doing other sort of makeup looks that take my time that I haven't even dived into this yet. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Comment down below what your favorite Jeffree Star makeup product is, because I just want to know. We can talk about it. So also, my comment section is almost always super, super nice, but I caught a couple mean comments, not to me, but to each other down there. So be nice. There's too much negativity in this year already. Be nice to each other, please, and thank you. It's just makeup. Disclaimer, I am very grateful and happy that I am able to purchase these mystery boxes. If I'm complaining about something that's in the mystery box, it's just makeup. It's just an opinion. And this is why I do giveaways, because I realize I am fortunate enough to purchase these and I want to give back to you guys who support my channel. Don't take anything too seriously, okay? It's just makeup. My friend Connor's also doing a giveaway. She ordered all 4 boxes, so be sure to stay tuned for both of our giveaways and make sure you like these videos, subscribe to our channels, and I forgot what else I was gonna say. Merry Christmas Eve to all, and to all a good night. Bye. Bye.